Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video I'm going to tell you a bit about the type of photography which I use my camera for now, what I used it for in the past, as well as asking you what kind of photography you use your camera for. So a few days ago I uploaded a video where I talked about the different cameras and camera systems which I have had over the years, and I asked for your interaction to tell me as well the type of cameras which you've used and which you're using now. You can watch that video by clicking the link up here. Today I'm going to tell you about the type of photography which I've used my cameras for over the years and what I'm using them for now. And I really would love you to share with us the type of photography which you use your cameras for. You can either tell us in the comments section down below, or you can answer a simple one-question survey which you'll find in my channel on the Posts tab, which used to be called Community Posts. You can find a link to my channel up here, or you can click on the channel logo wherever it is on your screen. Also, if you're subscribed to my channel, there's a good possibility that the short one-question survey appears in your YouTube feed. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, this is another great reason to be subscribed, and it's completely free for you. Whatever type of photography you use your camera for is valid, and if you enjoy doing it, even better. It could be travel photography, portrait photography, landscape photography, still life photography, street photography, wildlife photography, or any other of the many genres which there are out there. It could even be capturing images of your daily life on your phone's camera. Remember that variety is the spice of life. Over the coming months, I'll be adding more posts, surveys and quizzes to my channel, as I would love you to interact with me, which will help me to create content which is more relative to what you find interesting. So as I said, over the years I've used a number of different cameras and a number of different camera systems for a number of different types of photography and videography. When I first started out, I was a hobbyist trying to learn the basics of photography on a Nikon or Nikon single lens reflex consumer film camera. At the time I had less disposable income, and as it was a film camera, there were costs on top of the actual cost of the camera. Buying the film, having a negative developed, and then going through the negative one by one to decide which of those images I wanted printed, to be able to reduce costs on printing images which I didn't really want. I remember being in situations where I really wasn't sure whether or not to press down on the shutter release button, because it would reduce the number of images which I could then take on that film. If you remember, in most cases 35mm films usually came either in 36 exposures, 24 exposures, or even 12 exposures. So if you didn't get it right with the limited number of exposures which you had on your film, it could become quite a costly hobby, especially during that learning curve. With the invention of digital cameras and almost unlimited media storage, this problem has completely disappeared. But at the time, and I'm sure those of you who can remember will agree, it was a major constraint in starting out in photography. I used to take photos of flowers, people, and landscapes, trying to learn about how the lighting and the camera settings would affect the final image. Then, at the beginning of the new millennium, in about 2001, I created an internet portal for the town where I live, which offered, amongst other things, photo reports and short video bursts of different events which took place in the city. So I covered events like concerts, the film festival, fairs, and basically anything else fun which was happening in the town. A couple of the cameras which I used during this period were the Sony Mavica CD400 and the Nikon or Nikon D70. I did this for about 4 years, and then I decided that I wanted to concentrate more on studio photography. This helped me to learn about photography using flashes and controlling the ambient light, and gave me a greater understanding of how hard and soft light can change the image dramatically. During this time, I was using the Nikon or the Nikon D200 and D600. Then something happened, and I really don't know what it was, but I just lost my mojo. I found that I didn't even want to pick up one of my cameras anymore. And this lasted for a number of years. Then, during the pandemic, I began cleaning and playing around with the cameras which I hadn't touched for a number of years. And that sparked my interest for photography again. And as I'm sure happened to many of you, made me want to pick up my camera and go outside again and take photos. During this time, I bought myself the Panasonic Lumix S5 full-frame mirrorless camera and a couple of lenses for it. And as you can imagine, I fell in love with photography again. But I also wanted to do something different. I wanted to learn something about video. The Nikon D600, which I'd had before buying the Panasonic Lumix S5, was a DSLR camera. And even though it recorded pretty good video in Full HD at 1080p, the settings and controls for video were very limited. And for any of you who've used the Nikon D600 for video, you'll know about the downfall with the live view feature. Now that I had the Panasonic Lumix S5 in my hands, which offers enormous freedom for creating video with numerous frame rates, video formats, and codecs, suddenly I had something new to learn. For me, the learning process, which is the journey, is often more fun and more interesting than knowing all about something, which is like arriving at the destination. I'm still on the journey of the learning process of creating video, and I still have a long way to go. This means that I'm going to have a lot of fun for a long time. Once I began to understand video a little, I realized that one of the things I wanted to do was to create a YouTube channel, to share what I'd learned over the years related to photography, and to try to simplify my explanations as much as possible. That meant that I had to start learning another couple of skill sets, one of which was talking to the camera, and the other which was editing video and audio. And again, I'm still learning those skills, and I realize that I have a long way to go. But if you look at some of my previous videos from when I began my channel, you'll realize that I am at least on the journey. Since I created the channel, I've uploaded over 80 videos in which I give tips on how to create different looks in your images, as well as talking about lighting techniques, cameras, lenses, and camera kit. I've also created a series of videos which are behind the scenes photo shoots with different models, demonstrating different lighting, light modifiers, and photographic techniques. I use several different cameras for recording my YouTube videos. At the moment, I'm recording this video on one of my DJI Osmo Action 4s. I prefer to use a fixed focus camera for my videos in my small studio, because like that, I don't need to worry about the autofocus finding the right focus point, and I know that the whole of my studio will be in focus. Since I began my channel, I've realized that creating YouTube videos related to photography, tech, and video is definitely my passion, sharing my knowledge and experiences in photography through the videos on my channel, and hopefully helping some of you on your learning process journey. Remember what I said before, that the journey is often more fun and interesting than arriving at the destination. So, pick up your camera and practice, experiment, and keep your mojo going. Please do remember to tell us about the type of photography which you like doing in the comments section down below. And if one of my mini surveys appears on your YouTube feed, please click the appropriate answer in your case. You'll find affiliate links to some of the gear mentioned and used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, thank you. Price to you will be the same, and you'll be supporting my channel as I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on the channel. If you found this video interesting, please click on the like button and share it on your favorite app with friends and family who you think may also find it interesting. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops from my channel, and also to receive my channel posts in your YouTube feed. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.